Whoa! That's fascinating.
Bring achievements, yay.
Hmm. This one. Okay, so okay, so I'm gonna record. Wait, no, it's already recording. Oh, okay. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Great.
Hello.
Okay, Sweet Barnamine. Oh God. You know what? Join. What games do they have? Oh wow, they only have these game modes. I want to have a nun map.
A
None.
what?
The map is it says none, but it says it's coming soon. The room is literally called join. I love doing that. It's the best thing ever.
Okay.
Oh look, a bot. Please.
Wait, air joining room. Wait 1 second. I have to join again. Alright, so enemy team.
Enemy team.
Got it. Let's go.
Oh my god, look at all these bots. Oh god, that's terrifying. Ah. Hey buddy. Wow, you're just gonna completely ignore me. That's bots for you. Especially in this game. Goodbye. Ah, that's terrifying.
Dun-dun-dun.
Yes. I'm so every time I see one of the pumpkins, I'm just so tempted to shoot it while standing on it because you know why?
Why?
I want to die.
Oh, that's neat.
I missed. No, that's a teammate. I can't shoot my teammate. What am I thinking?
Whoa.
I love how one of the bots' names is actually Shotgun Willie. It's like the most hilarious thing I've ever seen in any
Or
game
her.
ever. Wait a second. No! 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 I love how they added the TF2 logic and added the rocket jump.
I love how I just killed 3 people with a rocket launcher. That's fun.
Mm-hmm. That's how I roll.
One of them definitely wasn't me, but
I
whatever.
saw the thing that said, ah! Oh, ah! Is that you? Adam. No, his name was Pebble. What kind of name is that?
Just, it's a game. Don't question it.
Adam, I know that's you. Dang it. God dang it, Code Matrix. I just killed you. You just wanted revenge. She killed you? What's wrong with that? God. I honestly see nothing wrong with that. Ugh. Man, I wish I had a face cam. Well, anyways, okay. I'm gonna make that shot. Oh, that was you! Oh, that was you! Hang on. I just typed in the chat, say hi to YouTube because there are other people now. Call 1-800-411. No, wait, that's wrong. Ah! I love how stupid the AI is. I killed myself. I want to die.
Dude, I'm lagging. Like, my game feels so stiff for some reason. Like, you know how there's the stairs at spawn and then, like, the little gate on top? My game is so laggy that it won't even let me walk up those stairs properly. Like, it just stops me at this, or, it just stops me at the top stair, and I don't know why.
They should add a weapon that's a potato. They should add like a potato weapon. Ah! Give me this. No, no, no. Ah! Ah! He's after me. Don't you touch me. If you touch me, you're gonna get killed. You're gonna get killed. Ow! That hurted so badly. He hurted me. Adam, 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 Adam. It's me. It's me, your best friend.
Good to know.
Ow! That hurted! That hurted so badly.
Good to know.
I just wanted to die. Not really. I wanted to live. 1-800-WIN-WIN-1. Uh-oh! Uh-oh! Don't shoot me!
Those bots. Dude, I hate bots.
Ah!
They're annoying.
He's attacking me! I'm being assaulted! God dang it, Mr. Blazing. Wait, who here is a bot and who here is not? Oh wow, that rhymed. Ha 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 ha.
Joker is not a bot, and Lil Breezy or Mr. Blazing are not bots.
I don't know who this Sean person is, but they're terrible at this.
I know, right?
They're at the bottom of the leaderboard.
Also, because Shotgun Willie over here comes up with a literal shotgun and blasts my face open.
Wait, you're Sean?
Yes.
I legitimately did not know that.
I hate bots. They literally have aimbot. How is that fair?
How did he get that so quickly? Surprise 101.
Dude, my guy just keeps on stopping, like, in the middle of his tracks. Like, oh, I think this is a good place to take a breather. Na 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 na. The bot was facing the other way and killed me.
Exactly! Like, remember that one time the bots kept phasing through the ground?
The bot was facing the other way and killed me. How is that remotely fair? How's that even remotely fair?
It's not.
I know, it isn't. Okay.
You know what? I'm just gonna hide in here. Nobody ever actually thinks to walk behind the portal. Bing bong. Bing bong. Bing bong. Ah! What just happened?
Dude,
I'm so confused
I'm
right
inside of 3 rocket launchers.
This dude! I got him! I got him! Oh, that's you! God dang it, I thought it was the little breezy dude that just killed me. I hate this dude. He's so good. He's actually really good. You can't hate somebody that's good. Seriously.
Well, you just said that you hated them, so you were saying?
Yeah, but you can't hate someone because they're good.
Yes, you can. I mean, I can hate you, but...
Ha! You guys lost a person.
That was a bot.
Oh, surprise 101. You guys have all regular people. That's terrible.
I only get 14.
Shotgun Willie.
Oh, hey, look, I got a head type.
Hey, hey, hey. Guess who's getting the axe?
Me!
Me. Moi. M-U... yeah, you get... You get the point. It's you. You're gonna die. Oh no. Who was that? Woo! I killed Max. I'm sorry, Max. Hey, Adam. What's that you're going for, man?
Oh, nothing. It's just a giant axe in the ground.
Not in the ground. In a tree.
Dude, I accidentally clicked off. I accidentally.
Ah!
Dude, seriously.
Ah!
Dude, I accidentally clicked off the screen. I accidentally clicked off the screen and I couldn't move.
I knew that was a little breezy, dude. God dang it. He's impossible.
Ah!
He's impossible. Hey, Adam. I'm gonna get my revenge. Oh, I got my revenge. Remember that? That was like
Oh,
the
yeah.
best thing ever. I spawned right next to you and just got my revenge.
That is broken! How can you?
I
Dude,
got that there
Joker has the
moonshine
axe.
and it
Joker has
healed
the
me.
axe.
Who does?
Joker has the axe.
Get Joker! Ah! 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 Cries in the corner. Gets assassinated. Cries in the corner. Hello, Surprise 101. Hello, Adam. Hello, guess who lost? Ah!
I
Ah!
don't know.
Ah!
Maybe you.
No! God dang it! Little Breezy now has, or no, not Little Breezy. Freaking, what's his
What?
name? Joker now has the axe.
What? Okay, so apparently I can die once I hit. Okay, so apparently I can hit a person with the axe. They die and fall on the ground, and then the same person that I killed kill me.
Dude,
That makes
Dude.
sense, doesn't it?
dude. You should ask your dad to download XSplit Gamecaster, and then you
What's
could
that?
record. You could record on your end.
No, yeah, this little breezy dude, I'm straight lagging, seriously.
No, dude, this little Breezy dude is just overpowered with his rocket launcher. Why are these cows' heads floating? And what is wrong with their legs? Ow! Oh, wow, that was a surprise 101.
No, little breezy! Ah!
I'm gonna get him! He's gonna get got. Hey, Joker. Hey, Joker. No! Goodbye! I knocked him out of his shoes. No, don't do it! No, don't do it! Don't you do that, little Breezy. Oh! He's got the axe!
Who does?
Little Breezy. That's the only reason that he's winning. Ah. 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 That's terrifying. This is terrifying, dude.
I'm good.
I'm good with this right now. Ooh, hey buddy. Hey buddy. Hey buddy. Was he a bot? Hopefully he wasn't a bot. Oh, thank God he wasn't a bot. I killed somebody that wasn't a bot. Wait, do we even have any bots? We don't have a single bot.
Dude, there was this movie that I watched last night, right? It was really good. The guy's kind of like a detective, right? And he was on the case, right? And it said that the guy was supposedly suicided off the railing, right? But here's the thing. The lady next door and her husband, they said that they heard a scream and and there was blood on the railing, meaning he couldn't have jumped off, right?
Yeah?
But here's another thing. They thought that he was pushed, but the police force didn't agree with him, right? So then he said this in front of everybody. Alright, so you said that you had to open the door once you came in, right? Yes. And you said that you heard a scream? Yes.
Why was the door closed?
Alright, and then the police force the police force person, like the leader of the police force was actually a girl in this movie, right? And here's the thing. she said this, and what exactly does this have to do with this? Well, and then the guy walked up to it and said, well, only this. Or the door's open. Closes the door, no sound. You can see him screaming. Yeah. just that like a crazy man over and over and over again just to prove his point. He didn't suicide, did he?
Probably not. Oh, I see what you're doing there, buddy. Goodbye.
Yeah, the guy was pushed by somebody.
Wait, but how would that leave blood on the balcony? Hey, is this the enemy base?
Well, easy.
Can
Easy. He or she must, or the murderer must have.
Ah! Wait, what?
No, but
You can't take damage in this place?
Want to push them off? There would be blood because the head would probably hit the side of the railing, would it not?
Hello, Adam. God dang it, Hans! Hey, I have more points than you. You have 400 points?
Well, I'm not really playing that much. I'm mostly just trying to parkour.
Hey, guys. Oh, somebody's trying to assassinate me down there. I see you. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey,
You're still
buddy.
blazing a lot.
Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Oh, God, where'd he go? Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Oh, come on. Hey, buddy. You just got killed. I got an revenge technique. Don't you touch me. Don't you touch me. Do not you touch me. Do not you touch me. Do not you touch me. Oh, crap. I died. I will delete you. You will get deleted. I love how they still try to shoot after the... Daily challenge is almost completed. Why can't I go to full screen? I can usually go to full screen. Man, how long has this recording been going on? Okay.
By the way, guys, if you want any games or anything next, or a person, if you want any games, just tell us because... Wait, can they see your screen like entirely?
Now they
Like,
can't
can
see.
they see like your whole screen and everything?
Yeah, but it's being covered by the game.
Okay, well, here's the thing. I was going to say, like, share that one person that would actually ever watch this video, the home screen, at the end of the video, and say if you have any suggestions or any games that you would like to see us play, let us know, and then they can pick throughout all the games on the home screen.
No, I'd have to open my Steam folder instead of just going straight to the home screen because I have like
Discord open and all of that.
yeah, I have like a folder for Steam games.
Okay.
Of course, the rocket launcher is gone. Guess who stole it? I'm gonna guess that one, Mr. Blazing dude.
Ah! That wasn't Mr. Blazing.
I love how overpowered that is. Ow! God dang it, Joker! I'm going to assassinate you. Oh yeah, I forgot. Plants grow much faster in the graveyard. See, like that.
Why?
And you can actually see the shotgun. No, don't steal it, you noob! Sorry. You can actually see the gun on the corn.
Mm-hmm. Really?
See? Right there. Okay, back on task. Back on track. Talking about. Sorry. That's a Tobuscus video if you want to watch that. It's like the best thing ever. It's called the Sideburns song.
Biscuit nugget and a biscuit nugget, biscuit nugget and a biscuit.
No, we'll get killed for copyright.
Hold up. Hey, welcome back. I dare you.
Ah! I falled. I'm being attemptingly assassinated.
Really?
Somebody is attempting to assassinate me. Assassinate,
not
assassinate. Just assassinate.
How many bullets did they shoot at you?
Huh?
How many bullets did they shoot at you?
1. Maybe like 3 or 4.
Okay.
just gonna walk around while dancing. I'm just gonna
It's good
dance
that you
around.
know that you're about to be assassinated. You know.
Oh my god! I was just 1 second away from killing him. I'm gonna die.
I got 0 kills and 2 deaths. You got 0 kills and 1 death.
Hey, that means I'm better than you. Hey, I got 1 kill and 1 death.
Okay.
The score is what's it called? The score is how long you stay in the thing. Oh no! Not this. Anything but this. Ah, don't touch me!
Oh. Ah!
No, 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 no.
Just
Somebody
headshot me, Joe.
take the chicken. Somebody. Please, I don't want to touch the chicken. It's so adorable. It's so cute. I mean, look at its little face. It's just like clucking at you. Ah, take the chicken! Take the chicken! Take the chicken! I don't need it. Take the
What just
chicken.
happened? No, I clicked
Take
off
it.
this game again.
Take the chicken.
Keep clicking off the
Take
game.
it.
Keep clicking off the game.
Ah! Take the chicken! I don't want it! I don't want it! No, 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 no. Sorry, sorry. I was.
Sing your song.
Ah! Die! Die!
Lagging. Dude, I lagged. I lagged. Won the world. What just happened?
Just happened?
I just lagged.
Yeah, I have no idea what happened right now.
Who am I? Help me.
Ah, no, don't open things. Stop it. Bad baby. Oh my god, I just won the lottery.
What do you mean?
I'm watching the news right now and it's doing the lottery winnings. Oh, I see you there. Goodbye. Is that you? No, that wasn't you.
I bet you anything you didn't actually win the lottery.
No, there's no way. I can't. I'm not legally allowed to buy lottery tickets. You see, cause ah, don't touch me with the pistol. Goodbye. Oh, I love how satisfying that was. Oh, that was satisfying because he died and he tried to kill me. And he thought he would actually succeed. Dang it, I could not do that.
The reality feels
Oh
like
god!
me.
Oh god, he's attempting murder. He's attempting murder. Don't you attempt murder on me. Joker. Revenge. Revenge! Yes, I got my revenge. Through someone else's power. Hey, enemy that taken the chicken. Hey, enemy that taken the chicken. I'm gonna need that back. Ah! Oh, hey, buddy!
I just shot you point blank in the head. How are you not dead?
Ow! God dang it, Joker! Oh wow, dude, what the heck? I just died, and then it says that you killed me.
Yeah, on my screen, I point blank shot you in the head a couple minutes ago.
You mean a couple seconds ago?
No, I mean a couple minutes ago. Like, you know how you were on the stairs, right? I point blank shot you in the head while you're going through that door until you got onto the stairs. Then you got onto the stairs and you didn't die. I was like, wait, how are you not?
I'm gonna try to get an achievement.
What,
Hello?
the 200 seconds without dying thing?
No, the I stole it from him. Yes, that was perfect. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Adam. Ah, no, you don't not. Ah! 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 Oh. God dang it, Joker! I hate you so much. I hate him. I'm gonna die. The enemy has taken my chicken? How dare they? Hey,
Thy
buddy.
enemy has captured your chicken. How do you plead?
Ow! God dang it, Joker!
Yeah, I saw you die. I've witnessed a person die in front of my eyes.
Okay. So, wait, how long is this recording? No, you do not. Oh my god. These people have no feelings.
Oh my gosh!
Guess who's about to get their revenge, ya buddies?
Nobody.
Me!
We talk too much. Nobody, because we're too bad
What
at
just
this
happened?
game.
Oh,
Nobody, because we're
because
too bad at the game.
second monitor. Yeah, I figured. Hey, buddy! Hey, buddy!
I just shot this guy point blank in the head 10 times.
That was me.
No, that wasn't you. That was the other guy standing on top of that building. I shot him like 3 or 4 times straight up point blank in the head with a shotgun. How did he not die?
I don't like this dude. He's gonna die. How? I punched him in the face! I punched him in the face with my shovel! God dang it, surprise. I'm just gonna keep saying say hi to YouTube until they actually do. Crap, I forgot I had caps lock on. Into the desert, plants grow slower and die faster. Great. Ugh. You guys are on YouTube. Say hi to YouTube! Say it. YouTube wants you to say hi.
I'm gonna see the flying people.
Ah, oh, they're trying to assassinate me! Don't you touch me. If you touch me, you're gonna die. And I'm gonna sue you for battery. Yeah. Battery. The worst charge you can possibly get. Because it'll make you look bad. No. No! No! Wait a second, there's a bot! There's a bot!
Mm-hmm. Speedy, right?
Ah! 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 Haha, I killed him.
Flav and Gretel are bots.
Yeah, Flav is an evil bot. I realized that forever ago. I beat down Flav!
How rude.
Oh my
There's
gosh!
the evil man. He killed me whenever I was sitting there.
Man, do you see these parkour skills? Crap, I fell. Bink! Flav! Wait, how is he so smart for a bot? He knew to wait around the corner for me. Hey, surprise
The other day
101.
he had a bot. He was just
Surprise, surprise! Guess who's about to die?
Me.
And Flav. And surprise 101. See what I did there? Surprise, surprise. His name is Surprise. Just gonna drink my moonshine. I am an alcoholic. Not really. I hate alcohol. It tastes weird.
I've never tried it.
I always make a joke
So
to
I
say
don't
that
know,
alcohol
and I
tastes
don't
good.
care. So guess what? I don't know, and I don't care.
I killed him! Ah! He's trying to kill me now. Ah! Don't you touch me. I killed him! We killed each other! I love it when that happens. Ow! God dang it, Joker! I hate him so much. buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy.
No, I'm
Hey,
good.
buddy. Not. Goodbye. 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 Killed Raven. Oh, don't touch me, though. Die. I love how many people joined the server called Join.
I know, right?
Ow! God dang it, Joker. I hope this video isn't going on for too long. Wait, what time is it? 7:08. It's gotta be at least 30 minutes.
Wait, how do you crouch in this game?
You press control.
It isn't letting me crouch then. What?
I'm not wasting my ammo on a bot. On a real person, though. I'll waste my ammo on a real person. Ow! Wait, how did he reach me? He was like half a mile away. Sorry for those of you that are headphone users.
You mean the one person if he or she's wearing headphones?
Yeah. I'm just gonna tell people around my school that I made a video, and then I'm just gonna get like 5 views from them. I just shot him in the face and he died.
Oh, yeah.
Guess who's in second place, friends?
You and not me.
Guess who's in first place, friends? A
Joker.
completely annoying person.
Oh, hey, look at that. He now has 16 kills while you have 13. He now has 7 deaths while you have 8.
Joker!
And I have 0 kills and 2 deaths.
No. No, I need this. Triple kill.
I say aim Joker.
Need to get it to say milking it. God dang it. Wait, me and Joker are tied. I need to make it a point to kill Joker. A bot. He's the easiest target. Yes!
Wait, better yet. I'll let you get a free kill. I'll let you get a free kill on me.
Wait.
No, I accidentally clipped off that thing again.
Want to team up on Joker? Surprise.
Not really. I just hate that I keep on clicking off my screen. That
Yeah, 'cause
sucks.
it won't let you go to the like
One
it
second.
won't let you go to the what's it called?
I found full screen.
Like full screen, yeah.
No, I found which
F11.
one it is. Go to options, and look at the second to last.
Yes. Oh my god, that is so much better. Thank you. Hey Joker. Hey buddy. Goodbye. What? What? Dies. Hey, you at least had more kills than Jorts here. Did you just leave?
No, I'm full.
I completed my daily challenge.
Oh. What's your
Lisa
daily
died.
challenge? What was it?
These noobs. I'm just using guides right now.
There's only one though.
Good. Ah, Ruby. I, hey, do you get that reference?
Which is it from SpongeBob?
It's a Gravity Falls reference.
Oh. Yeah, I, I,
Hello, old enemy. Ah! No! No! I fell right into that one. God dang it, bots. They're getting smarter. This is kind of scary. They're getting smarter.
Did you know that a while ago Google shut down, or last year Google had to shut down 2 of their
Yeah, it was Facebook.
robots?
It was
Did you?
Facebook.
Or
Because
it was Facebook?
they developed a secret language and then started talking to each other.
I thought it was Google. Why? I was sitting there peacefully, not doing anything. I didn't want to kill you, did I?
You wanted to. You were thinking about it. Yeah, that's what you were pondering over there.
I'm going back to that spot, and I'm sitting there, and you better not kill me this time.
Kills you. You know, this game would make a really good time lapse. Like the video was being time lapsed, and then you were just like you pre-recorded the video and time lapsed it, and then you'd just be talking over, like while you were. Ah! Ah! Wait, what? What did you? What? Ha! Oh. Did you see that? They clipped right through the wall. No, no, I'm conscious about the floor now. Guy. I beat down Ruby. Haha, I did it. Give me my health back. Adam. Where did you go?
Hi.
Bye. Holy crap, there are like 3 sharks. Oh no. Oh good. I just watched you die. It was so satisfying.
I hope you know that you just said it was satisfying to watch another human being die.
What have I done? I just said it was satisfying to see my best friend die. Well, my best friend over the internet. This guy just got so distraught because I stole his gun. No, 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 no! Goodbye. I got an
I hate you.
assist.
I got a hit marker on my screen. What in the world?
Yeah, sorry about that.
Okay, so I shot you my shotgun, brought you down less than half health, hit you with a shovel, got a hit marker, but you don't die and I do. Makes sense.
How does that work? Dude, I feel so bad for you. I have 25 health, if that makes you feel any better.
No, it doesn't. That means I was even closer to actually winning that battle.
That should make you feel better because it means you did more damage. Well, you were being double teamed, so you might have done that 25 damage, and then my friend actually hit you.
I like how you call him your friend, but you've never met him.
Yeah, my teammate, whatever, I don't care.
Just another human being.
Maybe a bot, I don't know. No, that was Joker. That was definitely Joker. I'd remember that face anywhere.
No, that was Mr. Blazing. Your mistake. Also, apparently bots can pick up weapons while facing the other direction.
Exactly! And then they can snipe you while facing the other direction, and clip through walls while facing the other direction, and exist while facing the other direction. I'm gonna die. Oh look, beer. It saved my life. I love how that works in this game. Just like, oh, let me just drink this beer. Oh, it saved my life. Hello. Wait, what?
Some reason just hit me through a wall.
Ah! My teammate. I'm gonna get my revenge on you, teammate. Spawns right next to the teammate. Oh, I got my revenge. Kills the teammate somehow. You guys, I really wish I'd been recording during that time, but
Basically, he
we
said, quote,
couldn't.
quote, or I killed him with a rocket launcher. He said, or I killed him with an axe on the map, and he said, quote, quote, I'll get my revenge. He spawned right beside me, hit me in the back with a shovel. Hey, I got my revenge.
Like, immediately after.
Literally immediately after.
Hello, buddy! No!
Wait, I want to test something.
Hey, buddy. Where'd you go? Ah! Where did you come
Apparently
from?
that guy can run faster than me whenever I'm running full sprint with a shovel out. Makes sense.
Just gonna get this beer.
Alright, go inside. Go inside the door.
Oh, hey, buddy.
Don't kill me. I want to test something.
Hang on.
Stand right here.
Wait.
Now I can't test it.
Hey, guess who's winning? Oh! Holy crap. Oh. I thought that was me. Why did you steal my logo? Holy crap. Your team was composed entirely of bots. And you.
Mm-hmm.
You got beat
You were
by
saying?
bots. You got beat by bots.
Well, I was literally trying to be pacifist throughout the entire round. I was literally just running around like a madman. Like,
Okay.
whee!
Do you want to do a 1v1?
Yes. Very, very much like close. I wish there was a kill cam in this game. You know?
The map is
sure.
called Die. All lowercase. I'm a terrible person.
I just got double kill. Thanks.
Yay!
Baited.
Well, this is fun. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Guess who spawned on the side with the axe?
There's no axe on this map.
I know, but hang on. God dang it! It never lets me invite you. I just want to invite my friend.
You have no friends.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. Oh wait, no, darkness
You
is my
have
old
no
friend.
friends.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. Wait, I have no friends. When you try so hard and you don't succeed. Wait, I don't. I think I got that wrong.
When you try so, or when you try your best, but you don't. That.
Hey,
Wait, we're trying to do
buddy.
that.
Hey, buddy. I see you over there. Wait. Where did I put it when I died? Oh, there. Wait, what? No.
No.
No. No.
Oh, no.
Where is it? It's not over there. Look, I have my shovel out, and it's not over there.
Where is it? Where's the axe? What'd you do with the axe?
I honestly have no idea. Ah! I thought you were gonna beat me up.
Try your best, but you. Wait, where did you die?
Well,
where did you die?
I restarted the round right here,
Where?
and I guess it just completely deleted it from the game.
Oh.
Like, it deleted it from the game's entire coding. How? What kind of sorcery?
What?
You just accidentally killed me.
I hit the stump and it killed you.
I'm just gonna dance walk over there. Because that's how I feel.
What's sad and lonely about your life?
Wait. Come here. Don't kill me. Don't kill me. Don't kill me. Don't kill me.
Okay.
Don't kill me. Come down here.
Oh.
Dance battle.
Wait, stand right there. Stand right under me. Stand right under me. Stand under me. I want to test something. Okay, stand right there. Cannot stand on you. I am one.
How could I not hit you when you were inside of me? Oh no, I can't hit myself. When you try so hard, but you still fail.
Dude, me and my friend, Wolf, right? He's the one that kept telling you about, right? Here's the thing. We played Minecraft like a lot. That was basically the only game that we played, right? Here's
Yeah.
the thing. Wait,
Ooh, we
wait.
should do a Minecraft video.
We called Hypixel. We called it Mineplex.
Hi, Pickle.
No, we called Mineplex Lagplex because it would always lag him out. Hypixel would always crash us both. And then we were always he had like his own little mini server where it was only me and him just messing around downloading maps and stuff, right? On one of the maps it was like Wipeout parkour map, right?
Mhm.
I showed him the command block trick, right? And then
What command block trick?
a chicken came, and I saw a random chicken. I said, "Hey, look, it's a chicken." And then he said, "Right." He said, "Hey, look, I found a chicken." I came over there. I punched the chicken, and the game crashed. Literally, straight. I punched the chicken, and then, straight. It crashed the entire server.
Hey, Adam. Adam.
No, but then we made up a little meme with just between us. So it was actually kind of funny. We called it the Chicken Hacker, and we said that he was sent from Hypixel. The Chicken Hacker sent from Hypixel. We are insane, aren't we?
That was actually pretty funny. Ah! Ah! Oh, I got a hit marker. Every time I hear the word hit marker, I picture a marker, like you know Hitman. I picture a marker dressed as the Hitman.
With like a little tag on the back and everything.
Yeah.
No, look, he's not even outside the store. He's in the store blending in.
Oh my God.
With like a tag on his head and everything.
He has to assassinate. He's on one side of the pack, and he has to assassinate the one on the other side of the pack. Hey, Adam, try to kill yourself.
Okay. Didn't work. Wait, I want to try something. Don't kill me. I want to try something. No, okay. I think I'm close. It's like I need to try this. Wait, 1 second. I need to try. Ah, I missed. 1 second. No! Ah! So annoying. Dude, you run so fast with the shovel. It's uncontrollable. I hate it. Ah!
What?
Dude, with a shovel, you run too fast. You straight run too fast with a shovel. I can't even control where I'm going.
No, dude. There's actually an upside to that.
Ah, I'm trying to get on top of the roof.
God dang it! It doesn't work. It's like physically impossible. Wait! No. Adam.
What did I say? How do you get up there?
I just went up to the thing, like, directly, and then, like, it won't let you go any further. It'll just let you...
Oh, you mean straight, like...
Get out of my house.
Seriously? I'm kind of doing that. Why would you have to do that? I mean,
Don't kill...
That's
That's just bad... That's just bad hosting.
Yeah, yeah, there is.
You've got to be a better hoster.
Okay, guy, or dude. Okay, can I tell you what I think would be a funny intro? You know how Stick Fight we can do that thing with saying the text.
Mhm.
Okay, you kind of have to cut the recording here because this would be an idea for an intro.
Mhm.
Okay, so we go into the game and you say, "All right, everybody, today we're here playing Rainbow Fight with my friend Rainbow." And as you can see, I am the color rainbow, and he's also the color rainbow. And we need to try to kill each other with rainbows. Got it? Okay, let's go.
What just happened? Oh crap, dude, the video is probably way over longness. Yeah, I've got to.
I figured out how to rocket jump properly. During the
You,
slow motion, I straight went up like 10 feet. Not even kidding. That's pretty good.
hang on. Okay, so crap. What Steam game should we do next?
Uh, maybe either Minecraft or Tory Bash. I
Uh,
mean, that's fine. I mean,
so the games that we have in common are Stick Fight, TF2.
yeah.
What is it? Who's Your Daddy? Universe Sandbox, which I don't think you can play in 2-player. Shotgun Farmers. Clone Drone. You can't play that. Wait, no, you can, because we can do the Twitch mode.
Oh yeah, dude, we should try that.
Gmod. Paint the Town Red.
But that
That's
takes
actually
long.
really fun.
Yeah,
And that's about it. Oh, Tory Bosch. I completely forgot about that.
and Minecraft.
Yeah.
Who doesn't like a good Minecraft every now and then? You know.
Yeah, because, like, dude, Minecraft is just that original thing
I
that
know, right?
everybody's heard of on YouTube.
Everybody's heard of it. Everyone loves it. Everyone knows it.
Not everyone loves it. Okay, that was gonna be it, guys. I said that weirdly, but I don't care. So, goodbye.
How come you all of a sudden became British?
That was. I have no idea what that was. Honestly, I have no idea what
You
that
said all of
was.
a sudden became British.
It sounded more like Australian to me. Okay, bye.